Hey there folks, welcome back to the camper pod build. You know what today is? It's a day I'm getting my garage back. We're going to be moving the camper from the garage out to the trailer, and we're going to show you how we're going to attempt to do it. Wish us luck. We have ramps done. Little guides there to keep the dollies on track. The dollies should, or the wheels should land dead center of these two pieces of plywood, as well as run up on either side of the center strip. I've got it braced underneath the feet right there, and another brace here, and braced in the corners. Now just have to get camper pod from there into there. Okay, she's in the trailer. And she's got about a good 3 inches up front that she can go ahead, and she's kind of flush with the back. And that's a wrap for another day of the camper pod build. Big day today. Got my garage back. Excellent. Like, I spent all winter with this little tiny area here to work in, as you've all seen. Now I have the full floor back, which is amazing. Took a bit of doing, but we got her out on the trailer. Had to dig holes to lower the deck to the same height as the concrete. The ramp went out there. Perfect. Got everything all level both ways. And I think it was 17 minutes, and we had her out. And she fits really, really, really well. We popped in the front hatch, the two windows, this one and one on the other side, and the door, because we're supposed to have some weather over the next little while. So this will keep her weather tight. Now there's still some work to be done, but at least I have full access to my garage and not having to clean everything up all the time. I have some room here which I can move around. Anyway folks, that's it for this day of the camper pod build. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully we'll be out camping pretty soon.